Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here we are at the Dollar Tree, and we're at the front of the store where they're starting to bring out all of their Christmas stuff. So come on with me, guys. Okay, now this is a quick reminder that on Friday, October 21st, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's a collaboration called Holiday Dishes from Around the World, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now, I do know that we have some co-hosts, but those are going to be listed in the description box the day of the video. Now, this is something that you either want to cook something from your home birthplace, or maybe a place that you visited, or maybe just your basic favorite food. So you know what? Cook whatever it is that you would like. Maybe a holiday dish would be really nice. But I would love for you to come out and join us, support us, and I can't wait. I'm actually thinking about what I'm going to cook myself, so I can't wait to see you there. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now don't forget to click that like button and full watch the video, because this helps me to grow. And then comment below, because I would love to hear from you. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, make sure and click that subscribe button. There is no charge, doesn't cost anything. And then hit that notification bell twice where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving those brush trees, and especially the colors. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys.